Hello, my name is Katie, and in the next series of videos I'll be demonstrating strategies to use different pieces of equipment, and all of the equipment that I will be using is often available through the ALSA Association of Massachusetts and their equipment loan closet. So if the equipment is something that you think may be helpful for you, then I encourage you to reach out to them to see if they do have it available for you. And the information provided in the videos by no means replaces any medical advice, and if you are interested in using any of the equipment, we recommend that you reach out to your physician, your physical and occupational therapist, to make sure that that equipment is the right equipment for you, the safest equipment for you, and then for them to arrange for you to have appropriate training to make sure that you're using it correctly in a way that minimizes any risk of injury to you or those helping you. But we hope you find them helpful, and thank you very much for watching. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the benefits of a transfer bench, and the way this is set up is there are two legs inside the tub and then two legs outside the tub, so that I can get onto the transfer bench without having to step over the tub, which can be very challenging. So right now I'm sitting on the toilet, and if you have enough room in your bathroom, you may be able to wheel a wheelchair in. I don't have a lot of space, so I'm starting on the toilet here, and then depending how much assistance I need to transfer, I can either do this on my own, or I can use a pivot disc or a slide board, as demonstrated in some of the other videos with someone helping me. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use this transfer bench to help me stand up, and then I'm just going to pivot and sit on it. And so this way I haven't had to step over the tub at all. I'm sitting on the bench, and now I can just slide onto the bench, lifting my legs over the tub, side of the tub, until I get all the way in. So this eliminates the need to step in and out of the tub. I'm now sitting in the tub. Many of these have back supports, so you'd be sitting, you can lean against the back support. This one does have a handle over here, so if I needed to, I could use that to help pull myself over. And then once in the tub, you will want to pull the shower curtain over, or the water will go everywhere. And what I know some people have done is they've cut slits in the plastic part of their shower curtain to go around the bench, and they say that works pretty well. A little bit of water will get out, but the slits help with it. Another thing that can be handy is one of the handheld shower heads, and that way you can use it while you're sitting. You would just want something that is lightweight. You don't want a heavy handheld shower head, but something that's lightweight. If the on-off button can be on the shower head, that's helpful too. In my situation, I'm quite close, so I may be able to turn it on from here anyways, but especially if you're further back or it's more difficult or this is higher, the on-off button on the shower head can be very helpful as well. When you finish, rather than having to stand in the shower to then step out, you can slide across, lift one leg out, lift the other leg out, and then turn to either stand and transfer into the wheelchair, or in my case I'm just going to go back to the toilet.